Mammy man tidie. Nothing be beer. Some here pa medibi be beer. But this morning, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your path. For akumenyina to a radiso. Na one kasa and found to hoso. No, senya men be amount. What? And pay the focus should shift from human to God. Your focus should shift from human being to God. After all, He is the creator, on the creative. And I'm telling you, say you were created. So trust in the creator. And it will help you. Sometimes people come to your office, or sorry, and they tell you things, the disappointment that they have seen in life. Obitimi de no to amanyoni bi so say onya position bi obeboa me asa onya position wie wo ku hu nyina ama no onya position wie no okwa da bi oto anansesam kirewo wa okra te say recruitment iba akra ya man slot to be aso no ma me ni unyam nyina akodom se slot di aben wo di ewom Abiyama slot we die honorable be maybe. Who go do no asha to anansesem. Okra no honorable ba be ma height na say we die ne height we die. Ne height we die no a check you. So that time we hear mo wa check your height. I am very sad. So lean not on your own understanding. No rabo ba ka cho se slot no kra ni de na buy no kra na den na chairman baako MC baako boa. Trust not the man. Forward you and forward this that's what you are to the paso. Nipa ya fucking. Nipa ya kala says nipa ya aboabone. I'm telling you. Wabu bo posters. Satan do no bu nim so height yamfa mo posters. Dia na anyeye. Meti akese a wako. Se duru ora bu so onimu. Kode bia no mo anansesem. Kode bia what the party mo kum ho pa azo e baaye no. Wo se nkofo bia mo appointment no kra campaign wa hu mu da. Yes, nipa no. Campaign, you didn't even see them da. And so no man appointment. Come on, not more crying for Uncle Baby Gracie and Fanche.
Sompa FM.
And yes, only swimming. Wouldn't swim it. Now they say that before domes home do. National disaster for you. Radiabi. And so they go to a pow da. Keba hikta goes through young frost room fire goes through Oboa. They don't have a common that book because that book paid when you're paying a shed also. Tina make a show. No, my guys don't pay to be a better. Aza, we don't want to offer Biso. We offer dear. I'm more for me now. Ya more than Quebeco, Master Cratchy. Lee, trust not in man. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. What? To us, I'm out of an abuko. But pay, where is your trust? So far, who tuni paso. Na bewu. Akuma bayo ya ubewu. Babadam say kwanka for be my dream how because of a disappointment. Uko school, uko school unko. Was ya some sa na to be madam. To be madam sa wa anya hwe. School fees cry the bambema. Was ya some be no cry di. Na fe bema ni duru baby o acho say shegelege nyo level ni me. Cry bebre maya na bi ya mawreho. Bebre hunu wi no manum tramon no because of one penafo. I like how. Do not trust in man. hwe ojimi na beto ani so na ye late nso kakra bi na realizing your mantem. So trust not in man, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Anu na beboa. Anu na beboa. Word ma chese papa ye better heaven. You know am school down there. O be man say ni school fees here pam na wa sakre. Sa dam no sa madness no. Me say na me ka say atwam to last week here obi ba me ho be kan bi kirem say what din sika na me say wo yare. Wo yare pass all this ankwase asem. Me tell na say na me krokro na say encourage you. Because how can you go to school no obi wo school? O level 200 no or level 300 or 400 say I can la the final year nti o di usika ama no o di usika ba no we school no ana we defend no abeti na fie abrante no we wa national service ko beti man kanyo mambo mama bi o muaw o say hwe oba foforo kwasi asem no wadie no I'll tell you the truth ya fe na mbese muoni na wadi kwasi asem. So trust not in man.
Sompa FM.
Maybe I'm catch you say me kampaboa ka samre ye wonke dan we mu ma wo fa fom de pra Jesus ye na Yesu an nyansam gitwa pan kra poto kwa mnya so say kompo baby yeah. Trust not in man, trust in the Lord with all your heart. I pray you Yankopon ma yantiase no ma yehunumu. May the peace of the Lord which surpasses all understanding be with us this morning. We say assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. Today happens to be the 7th day in the month of July. Na kakra nyame edie nam second quarter nim second half nim second half nim a yerewremu a okramu so okore ne ma no matter what he has been good to us. He has been good to us. He has been good to us. Arope Yakoba and I was so beautiful. Yeah. Amamreni amanye ne fese. Amamreni amanye ne fese. Efekeke. Na arope maminchia of a clear baby will be a very good morning. Say no beba maminchia elections ne consulti. Se munya na muntumo of a clear. Non dear. I don't just some from GD in Anshipem, but of a credit, I'm telling you, say, Juman do a bit my. Now, one of the things I don't pay Yakoba Ebedu, Mr. No, I was beautiful.
FM.
Now, the 15th occupant of the stew, something him and Rana, oh, I'm a mania fair. Yeah, ready. And Raji say, a lot, you learn a lot, and Raji say, now, and your womb. And Yama Wumpa, it was so nice. And it was so nice. It was so nice. It was so nice. Na and Mamreni Amania, Edi Dincheri Pa. They say, Nana O Quanso. Now, Miss no official name Neba. Ya the betuja. Na and I was so happy. I was so happy. Say, na hima. Oh, Nana Mabunsu, the 15th occupant of the Asante Hima stew, no, and ran nefe. Nana ma unkwanso so chodi amponya me se omo ahode no man kwatintin so apomdin wom naima eye dododo ye nyame ehira wo na ye ba be wram kakra san so da in Ashanti region ke media ba se say saman first no na ze omo hu be hu se first no te say saman ba speed bia wo ma me mo be kọ no mo be shempa so mo na ze omo introduce is fine so mbe o mo adwuma nko an say nipa adwenye kro no di anim ti nipa no te say ayi city guard for o mo adwuma so mo mo nyew o mo gina na post for no mo so age me hu bi denti na meka so mba ba be adwuma ne nko an na ye chewa ye do akọ ya fine o mu ye 2 3 4 bebo nipa hu na so mu bado ma me no mbegege kakra e be giegu. I'm telling you this, Zuba is a good initiative, but enforcement no mo hwe say ko for no be comply with what the rules and regulations. Yes, idea. Ebe nkobesi ebe kwa nkosi bebia ebe kwa nkosi bebia na used to answer for phone so kwadwo safo akofina na ndra yete se papa no ne wo na abusuani nyina se yen kan ansa omukọ kan na se dia aba ne se
Sompa FM
ana se odi ade ti enra so eno so ho nsem enenamua aropai yeba yediani ne torchlight no ebehwemu so kakra ewo ho sa enso so na no pen komo ayebedie attorney general enso lay before parliament na o propose say ye establish tribunals no as part of justice delivery system no say be ya eno so ebeboa yen na president Mahama enso ahye say yameboa efiada ye de ye nimia ne memenida ye nyina Ghana nyina ye mfa nyensiesie ya ba ebedi hon komo so I'm ready team now ready to serve Mr. Wag the shining shoe watena say back me feeling it time anope watena say wisdom was also na emba sports for no I ready anope yen sorry so na sports for no emfa sports no emre me kwaba e Kwame Nkwantabisa me ba oba pa babra ewo ha na anope ye dwumadie no ebe re mu na ya som soma Sompa